everyone, and welcome to another daily pack opening. Today I have 3 packs of Diamond and Pearl Mysterious Treasures to open up. Got these at the comic book shop. They were from a booster box, so they aren't technically loose. Well, I guess they are, but I know they don't go through them there. I totally did that wrong. There we go. Alright. Magby, Croagunk, Execute, Apom, Snora, Celio, Magmar, Giraffarig, a Reverse Octillery, very nice, I love the colors in this card, and a Bastiodon rare. Another pack here. That one just wants to rip. Larvitar. A really cute Pikachu, and I think I still need this for my Pikachu collection as well. Sandshrew. Seal. Dodua. Lake Boundary. Celio. Tropius, a Reverse Shinx, it's really cute. I like the ones with the berries too. It's a little bit extra to the card. And a Holo for Alligator. Also a really nice card. Awesome. And last pack for today. Slackoth, Chikorita, looks like she's in the rain there, that's cute, Geodude, Zubat, Magikarp, Sheldon, Duskball, Parasect, Aggron Reverse, which is also the first card in the series, very nice, and a Mantine, which I have the reverse of sitting right here, oddly enough, but really cool. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this part. Make sure you stay tuned and subscribe till tomorrow, where I have more daily pack openings. And in the meantime, make sure you enter my raffle, which I'll have a link in the underbar below. The raffle will be available until April 30th of 2012. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll see you soon.